What's the meaning of carbonize? Carbonize. Carbonize.
Carbonize. Carbonize. The term carbonize refers to the process of transforming organic material into carbon or charcoal through heating in the absence of air. The result is a black, brittle substance that is primarily composed of carbon. Carbonization can occur naturally, such as with the formation of coal deposits, or it can be carried out artificially for various purposes. This process is often used to create activated carbon, which is a highly porous form of carbon with a large surface area that is commonly used in filters and absorbents due to its ability to trap particles and impurities.